So we just checked in at the Hilton Tulum, all-inclusive in Playa del Carmen, and I was upgraded for being Hilton Diamond. We originally only booked the king room with a nature view, and they upgraded us for free to a partial ocean view suite, and this is an incredible room. Let me take you through it. So the look of this room is definitely eco-chic. This is bathroom number 1. They do have large sliding barn doors for the bathrooms, but at least they are very large and flush with the ceiling and the floor. This bathroom would have been fine if this was our main bathroom, but you know, this is just our guest bathroom. So we've got a lotion, towels, cups, and soap. Really good counter space and very good lighting as well. Over here to the left is the toilet. And over here to the right is shower number 1. So we've got a rainfall shower. We don't have to-go toiletries, but these are really nice bottles, you can tell. Rosemary chia shampoo, rosemary lavender conditioner, and rosemary white tea shower gel. Now outside of this bathroom, we have the little coffee stand. So there is an espresso with some hot teas and some cream. So we've got a lot of drawers right here. Over here we have a nice little turtle statue and mugs, glasses, and an ice bucket. Down below, this is the fridge, and this should all be included. The fridge is not very cold, even though it's turned up all the way, so hopefully the drinks are a little bit chilled, but it looks like we have a lot of water, some sodas and juice and beer. Most important thing for me, the full-length mirror. You've got the thermostat on the wall, and here is the suite. This is the sitting room section. So we have a sofa. We've got a sitting chair and these 2 little coffee tables. A dinner table for 2. We have the TV. I love this beautiful light fixture. And then look right out here is the pool and the partial ocean view. Like, to me, that's an ocean view. We're only looking past the pool to get the ocean view, so for me that counts, and that's amazing. So they actually even give us an umbrella, which is cool. Looks like we have real hangers. So we can hear the music from the pool, obviously. Totally not bothering us right now, so we'll see how it is later tonight. Anyway, here is the room. We've already checked the bed and it's all good. We get a beach bag over here. And I love all these light wood tones. We've got more slippers in this beach bag. Another little sitting area. And I love all the lighting in this room. It's very relaxed and comfortable. And then here's bathroom number 2. We've got a giant soaking tub. And here is our main bathroom. We've got 2 sinks. This even comes with the dental kit, the shower cap. And as you see behind me, there is a ton more storage. I don't know what they expected us to bring, but this is fantastic. You'll definitely have enough room for all of your luggage here. You can really spread out. You can section it out if you're traveling with people who aren't your family. We've got some robes and more slippers, just more storage here. And now on the left is the toilet. And these are real doors. They're not barn doors over here, but if you need more privacy, you could shut those barn doors. And we have down here is a hairdryer, and then on the right is our other shower. So this, of course, is also a rainfall shower. Very luxury and very relaxing. There's also a hook, which I love in a rainfall shower. There's the other TV, some more seating, and our second porch that again goes out to this pool.